equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV51 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you access to the screws that hold the main body together. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located at the back and sides of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the two halves of the vacuum body. Be cautious as there may be clips that need to be released. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Now, you will see the motor assembly. Disconnect the motor by carefully unplugging the electrical connector. This may require a bit of force, so use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose if necessary. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. With the motor disconnected, you can now remove it from the housing. There may be additional screws securing the motor in place, so use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these as well. Once the screws are out, lift the motor out of the vacuum. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft brush or cloth to remove any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the efficiency of your vacuum and prolong the life of the new motor. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place firmly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the motor is securely in place, reassemble the vacuum by aligning the two halves of the body. Press them together until you hear a click, indicating that the clips are engaged. Replace the screws at the back and sides to secure the body. Finally, reattach the dust canister by sliding it back into position until it clicks. Plug your Dyson SV51 back into the power source and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your vacuum back in working order without hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.